Henin ke khar atre unailar Menteri Sokar Pedeng ubeshwarwar Tudu uba Peit ya katnat jal shakti ula penpau ya ke jingbom smuhun ya ke Jingpyntreikam ya ke jal jivan mission ha ke Jylla Meghalaya nambar bakadang sadien na dong sidong. Henin ke sngi utudu ula kendu ya ki ofsal ke Jylla pen bishar banyak ya ke Jingpyntreikam ya ke Skhim penpoi syaman lagi tliu yang kapa Jingpyntreikam habaro ke kari. Habakran berkilat sai Khubor utudu ulong bawala usohun ya ke Jingpyntreikam ya ki kot kisla henai umpat tip hadukat no ke kekam halor kene ke Skhim bat unseyoi anda ula Leit pihi dalaki jong hikman utudu uloong bakani ke kasin ke peningkong ba uwan yu kejat Meghalaya nadu bola simti ya kene kekam.
The implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission is, I think, below 50%, but our target is to achieve 2024 March. So we are suggesting all the states to complete before March 2024. So I think if the state government will take interest, automatically the work will be done. Still now I have not got such evidential or documental things. So after getting these things, if possible, I will go and visit that project so that whether the allegation is right or wrong. If it is right, then action will be taken and how the implementation will be done and the work will be go speed.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.